Put her on your shoulder. You're sitting high. There you go.
Okay, that's not good.
She can't do it.
My turn. You videoing? I'm not trying to hit the truck or anything.
You're not going to try. She got it. But you hit the box or the truck? Or the bottle?
Box.
The box. I didn't hear nothing.